Good morning. Welcome to Can I Build's virtual site visit. Let's start with your address.
18 Montgomery Road, Bonnyrigg.
Yeah, perfect. Let's pull up the satellite imagery for your property. So you're planning to build a swimming pool?
I am, yes. Hoping for a rectangle one, just in that back corner on the right.
Yeah, sure thing. So if you're looking for a rectangular one, we can use this one right here. It's a 15 by 4.
I think that is way too big. Can I just have a look at a few other options that you have?
So this is a very popular one that we have. So this is a 9.6 by 6.1 and it would fit perfectly on the block.
Yes, I think that is a lot better. Can you actually move it closer to the fence on my left-hand side? Oh, that is perfect. That sits exactly where I want it. Can you just tell me what the dimensions are from the house?
Of course. So from the main house to the pool, it's about 6.7 meters.
Okay. And with a fence, can you draw in the safety fence? I just want to see how the distance with that fence would be. Is that something that you can draw in?
Yeah, so we can start the safety fence over here. We can go around in a rectangle if you'd like. So then it would be about 20 meters worth of fencing.
Okay. And do I need any retaining walls or, I mean, my land I think is pretty flat and I don't need any retaining walls or anything. Can you just check that for me?
Yes, of course. So we can check the slope of the land. Yeah, so the land is relatively flat, so you won't require any.
What about the pump? I think I do understand that pools need a pump. Does that need to go anywhere in particular, or can you draw me where you think that might go?
Yeah, so we can add it right here for you in this back corner. Yeah, so then it would just look like that.
So how do I know this is going to get approved? Like, is this basically it and I'm ready to start?
Yeah, so we can have a look for you right now. As you can see here, we can check all the planning rules. So you're not in a heritage conservation area. Your area is bigger than 300 square meters. You have a frontage more than 6 meters, so everything looks good. So you're all good to go for fast track approval. So if you'd like, we can order you the architectural plans right now, and you can have them sent directly to your email address within 24 hours.
Okay, so yes, I'd like to proceed with that actually. Yes. And then I can always come back and change the plan and change the design if we decide we don't like it where it is.
Yes, of course. And if you have any changes, just let me know and we'll be happy to do that for you.
Okay, all right. Yes, I'm happy to proceed. Let's go ahead with that.